We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, I'm Cecil with Onyx. Today we have our HP M251 color laserjet printer. I was going to discuss with you the most common causes of paper jams, and here we go. So, unfortunately, the most common cause of paper jam is the paper. Sometimes if you have a lot of humidity and wet damp paper, they just stick together, and there you go. So, a lot of ways to remedy that is if you're having issues, fan your pages before you put them in the tray. If one direction is being troublesome, sometimes turning the paper 180 degrees can be helpful. Another most common cause is your little paper size selector. Folks have a tendency to think it needs to be really tight. When that happens, that has a tendency to squeeze the paper in and make it harder for the pickup roller to pick up the paper. So we're going to run a test page, and we're going to mess it up and make it look like it has a jam. And the reason we're doing this is because I'm going to show you what happens when paper gets stuck about halfway through. Here we go. Oops. Now we're jamming. So we see we got paper here stuck. When you have a jam like this, sometimes it may not be this far up where you can see it, but it can be in the back of the printer. So what you want to do is you open the back door, and if your paper is sticking out here, you always want to, no matter where the paper's at, pull it in the direction that it was trying to go, if at all possible. There are sensor flags that if you pull in the reverse direction, that can get broken and you will definitely have to call me. So we're going to rotate this paper out the way it comes. And we'll get the printer back around here where you can see it. Now this printer, pickup roller, is located in the back, and that's how it picks up the paper. And a lot of folks will put paper, when they go to reload their paper, there's still a little bit of paper in there. But by doing that and just not pulling your tray out and sliding your paper in, it's real easy to push some paper up where you didn't see it because it was halfway in your tray. And that little flap of paper sticking up will also cause you paper jams. That's the most common causes for this today. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.